We talk a lot about how incredible AI models are, but we almost never talk about what it physically takes to power them. The AI revolution, it's not just happening in the cloud. It's a massive global construction project. So today, let's pull back the curtain on this hidden world of AI infrastructure.
And that really brings us to the core question of this whole explainer. What is the true cost of AI? And I'm not talking about your monthly subscription fee. I'm talking about the raw, physical resources it takes just to ask a large language model a single question. The answer, it turns out, is all about energy.
Okay, get ready for a number it's pretty staggering. By 2026, data centers are projected to consume 1,000 terawatt hours of electricity every single year. To put that in perspective for you, that's almost 3% of all the electricity generated on the entire planet. This isn't just some small uptick. No, this kind of demand is literally pushing our electrical grids to the breaking point. And of course, where there's that kind of demand, you're going to see a ton of investment. The big tech hyperscalers, companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon that operate on a crazy global scale, they're planning to spend over $325 billion on data center construction in 2025 alone. This isn't just a trend, it's an absolute explosion. It's really like a modern gold rush. But think about it. Who got rich in the original gold rushes? Yeah, a few lucky prospectors, sure. But the real, lasting fortunes? They were made by the folks selling the picks and shovels. And it's the exact same thing today. The gold is the flashy AI models, but the picks and shovels? Well, that's the cooling systems, the power solutions, and the software that actually make it all possible. So this race to power AI is really being fought on a few key fronts. You've got cooling, energy, and software as the big ones. But as we're about to see, grid optimization plays a huge role too. This is where all the innovation is happening, and it's where companies are battling it out to solve AI's massive energy problem. And this chart right here, it basically maps out that entire battlefield for us. Let's just break it down real quick. So that horizontal axis at the bottom shows you how mature a company is, from the brand new startups on the left all the way to the established public giants on the right. Then the vertical axis on the left shows what they focus on: cooling, renewable energy, the grid, and software. We're going to use this map to navigate the key players, and we'll start with those giants on the far right. All right, so let's start over on the right side of that map with the big established public companies. These are the